must have started. I'm not. Let me have a look. Not started. Encoding. Not. So, hi everybody, welcome to today's session. This is Amirash and I welcome you to the amazing session of CBSE Class and Mathematics Marathon session, wherein we'll be revising all the chapters today with the most important questions that you can expect in your boards. So, this Maths Marathon is going to be super duper important for you because I'll be telling you very important questions today. Okay, so you cannot afford to miss it at all. And I'm thinking that आज का session English में करना चाहिए because बहुत requests आए थे मुझे to teach in Hindi, but you know I cannot speak Tamil and Telugu for South Indian students, so they would want me to teach in English rather than Hindi. But since आज last session है, so I am thinking of teaching in English today. ठीक है? For my North Indian friends for the first time. Because South Indian friends are okay with it, I hope. They must be happy with it if I continue this session in Hindi. ठीक है, तो आज बहुत important questions करने जा रहे हैं जो आपके boards में आ सकते हैं and you cannot afford to miss this session at all. Start करें with the very first type of question. अब इस क्वेश्चन से मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स आर अफ्रेड ऑफ क्योंकि इसमें कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर नहीं होते. दैट इज द टैप रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, टाइम वर्क रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस, जिसमें आपको बोलते हैं कि टैप्स इतना काम इतने टाइम में करते हैं एंड आप ये पता लगाओ दैट ये कितने टाइम में कोई भी सब्सटेंस, कोई भी कंटेनर को फिल करेंगे, राइट? दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. So let's have a look at it. Two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 3/8 hours. ठीक है? So I have two taps and together, let's say there are two taps and together when their work is combined, work कर रहे हैं together मतलब, and they are able to fill a tank. एक tank है उसको fill कर पा रहे हैं in 9 3/8 hours. Right? If I convert it into improper, then it will become 8 9s are 72 plus 3 75 by 8. तो 75 by 8 hours में वो fill कर पा रहे हैं tank को. ठीक है? The tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Understand the statement. मेरे पास दो taps हैं. I am talking about the whole of the taps right now, so focus. ठीक है? Wait a second. Let this be the smaller and larger one. Okay. See, one is this one and one is this one. ये है tap of smaller diameter and ये है tap of larger diameter. So it is saying that the tap of larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank. अभी तो obvious सी बात है कि अगर इसका diameter ज़्यादा है तो maximum पानी बाहर निकलेगा, इसकी वजह से टैंक जल्दी भर जाएगा, राइट? इसमें से कम पानी निकलेगा in that particular time, राइट? एंड इसलिए इसको ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा उस टैंक को फिल करने में. एंड इसमें बोल रहे हैं कि 10 आवर्स कम लग रहे हैं लार्जर टैप को. सो इफ आई अज्यूम टाइम ऑफ स्मॉलर टैप टू फिल द टैंक इज x आवर्स, तो क्या लार्जर टैप का हो जाएगा x minus 10 आवर्स? लेट मी नो इन द चैट बॉक्स. Let me know in the chat box. Right? Nobody's there. I think they are not aware of the session probably. Okay, it's okay. They will watch the replay, so I don't care about that. Today's session will be in Hindi, English, both, right? As I told you, but in the future, I'll just take the sessions in English. Now, so ये x है, ये x minus 10 है, and ये जब दोनों काम करते हैं, then they can fill the tank in 75 by 8 hours. Now, the concept to be understood. Whenever you have time and work related questions, we take the concepts in 1 hour. कि 1 hour में वो कितना कर पा रहे हैं, right? Are you able to see it clearly? Yes. 1 hour में कितना कर पा रहे हैं. So if in total it is taking x hours to fill, in 1 hour won't it take 1 by x? Tell me. Suppose if you are completing a particular work in 2 days. So in 1 day, won't you be doing half of the work? Similarly, ये x hours में कर रहा है its work. So 1 hour में 1 by x of work होगा, isn't it? Similarly, if I talk about this one, x minus 10, ये है in the total time. So in 1 hour, it would be 1 by x minus 10. And जब वो दोनों 1 hour में combine करेंगे, then how much are they going to do? उसका reciprocal. Total है 75 by 8. So in 1 hour they will be doing 8 by 75 of the work. Clear है now? Now we have got our equation and now we can solve it. Now I think you'll be able to do it. Insert slide below. Acha, now everybody focus over here. This is your equation. 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 10 is equals to 8 by 75. Since it's the last day, you can understand that whenever we have these type of questions, just reciprocate the entire equation, right? And you'll be able to get your answer. Ab solve karenge, you can take the LCM. It is going to be x minus 10. ठीक है, x minus 10 will go that side, x minus 10 plus x is equals to 8 by 75. अब cross multiply करेंगे and then we can get our answer easily. In cross multiply, I am telling you the final equation that you are going to make. It's going to be, I think, x square. I don't remember the final equation, but answer up from here you can solve it by, right? You can solve now. It's not difficult at all. Okay. So I think it is going to be minus 230x plus 750. अब solve कर लो. At the end, when you use the quadratic formula, you will get the answer as 25. Okay, for the smaller tab 25 hours and larger tab 15 hours. Okay, so you can do this. Now next question. Now it's related to some application of trigonometry, so I would like to pay attention. I would like you all to pay attention on this question. इसमें फिगर की बहुत इंपॉर्टेंस है क्योंकि सम एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिगोनोमेट्री दैट इज हाइट्स एंड डिस्टेंसेस एक ऐसा चैप्टर है जिसमें आपको फिगर्स का बहुत काम होता है. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू विल हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम्स. आई टोल्ड यू द प्रीवियस सेशन, मतलब मेरे टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स में मैंने आपको बताया था कि अगर आपने फिगर रॉन्ग बनाया तो आपकी सारी कैलकुलेशन रॉन्ग हो जाएगी, आपको मिलेंगे 0 मार्क्स. इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट टू ड्रॉ द करेक्ट फिगर. समझते हैं क्वेश्चन को. अ स्ट्रेट हाईवे लीड्स टू द फुट ऑफ अ टार. एक टार है एंड एक स्ट्रेट हाईवे है. फुट मतलब इसका बॉटम पार्ट. ठीक है, wherever foot is written, understand the bottom part. It is the bottom part. So straight highway, it is a straight highway, that is the horizontal over here. It is leading to foot of a tar. A man standing at the top of a tar, एक man है which is at the top of a tar, observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degrees. So I have a car over here and ये man angle of depression देख रहा है as 30 degrees. Okay, so I would like to make the angle of depression over here. So this is going to be the plane for us and this angle will be 30 degrees. So if this is 30, this will also be 30, alternate interior angles, right? Okay, which is approaching the foot of the tar with a uniform speed. जो टार के बॉटम के पास आ रही है एक फिक्स्ड स्पीड से, एक सेम स्पीड से, राइट? 6 seconds later the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degrees. तो अब कार आ चुकी है टार के पास एंड अब the angle of depression has changed to 60 degree. मतलब ये कंप्लीट हो गया है 60 degree. So alternate interior angles के according this will also be 60 degrees. Now find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tar from this point. Let's label the triangle A, B, C, D. So they are asking us find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tar from this point. Means from point C to D, how much time it is taking. B to C is 6 seconds. What is C to D? That we have to find out. Okay. We have two triangles over here, ADC and ADB. So first, let's take a triangle ACD, this smaller one. I'm talking about this triangle, smaller one. ACD. Okay. What happened? No data? Okay. I thought. Okay. Now in triangle ACD, what can I say? Can I apply tan 60? Definitely. What will be tan 60? Tan 60 is going to be AD by CD. Okay. Let's say AD is H, CD is X. So it is H by X. That gives you root 3 is equals to H by X, isn't it? So H is equals to root 3H. ये मेरी पहली equation है कि the height of the tower is root 3 times of this X. Okay. Oh my God, just a second. Huh. Now I've got this equation. Let's say this is my equation 1. ठीक है. अब focusing on the next triangle. अब देखो, if I talk about the bigger triangle that is ADB, तो मुझे क्या दिखेगा? Wait a second. देखो, ADB में my perpendicular is H. ठीक है? And अभी मैंने देखा कि H is root 3x. तो can I say that tan 30, क्योंकि 30 degrees depression, is equals to root 3x H की जगह upon BC plus X? Can I say that? Definitely. अब आप solve करो इसको. 1 by root 3 is equals to root 3 upon root 3x by BC plus X. Cross multiply कर सकते हो. You'll be getting BC plus X is equals to root 3 into root 3, 3x. Shift x that side, you will be getting BC is equals to 2x. मतलब कि जो BC है, ये BC साइड, दैट इज जब कार एक पॉइंट से इस पॉइंट तक आई, वो है डबल ऑफ दिस डिस्टेंस CD का. It means x is equals to BC by 2 or not, that is CD is equals to BC by 2, है ना? मतलब CD डिस्टेंस BC का हाफ है, एंड वी आर आस्क्ड कि कार को टाइम कितना लगेगा टू रीच दिस CD फ्रॉम पॉइंट C to D. मतलब CD डिस्टेंस में कितना टाइम लगेगा, CD डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करने में कितना टाइम लगेगा. सो देखो, नाउ इट इज कॉन्सेप्चुअल. अंडरस्टैंड, यूनिफॉर्म स्पीड है, मतलब वो सेम स्पीड से हर एक सेकंड की सेम स्पीड से आगे बढ़ रही है. सो अगर मेरा BC इसका डबल है, मतलब कि टाइम टेकन फ्रॉम B to C डबल होगा C to D का, या फिर आप बोलो कि CD में जितना टाइम लगेगा वो हाफ होगा BC का, राइट? बिकॉज इट इज हाफ द डिस्टेंस. सो इफ from B to C, BC के लिए 6 seconds लग रहे हैं, then CD के लिए it will take 3 seconds. This is your final answer. How many of you could understand this question? Great, great. All right. So we've got the answer pretty easily. I hope you could understand it. Circles का question है. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. Let's draw a circle. Let's say this is my circle. Let's say this is my circle. Circle है मेरा. Now, tangent drawn at the ends of the diameter. What is the diameter? This. ठीक है? The longest chord. Now they are saying at the ends. एक end ये है, एक end ये है. तो एक tangent यहाँ पर I have to make. Wait a second. just a second. Okay, this is a tangent. Now you can adjust, right? But touch ho raha hai, you can assume that. And this is another tangent. It's not touching, sorry, but you have to assume now that they are touching. मैं मोटा point बना रहा हूँ so that I can show that they are touching. It's touching at this point. Now they're asking us that tangents drawn at the ends of the diameter of a circle are parallel. मतलब कि if this is L, this tangent is L, this tangent is M. So we have to prove L is parallel to M. 9th class में आपने पढ़ा था कि किसी भी two lines को अगर parallel prove करना है, then there are some conditions. Corresponding angles equal हो सकते हैं, alternate angles equal हो सकते हैं, and what else? There were some other facts also. So number one thing that you can understand from here is that जो हमारा diameter है that is 2r, this is O, center O, ठीक है? मतलब कि अगर ये P है, ये point AQ है, so OP is equals to OQ radii, they're the radius, right? So they both are going to be equal. We know a theorem that tangent is perpendicular to the radius. मतलब कि OP must be perpendicular to line L, isn't it? मतलब कि perpendicular है तो ये angle जो होगा OPL angle will be 90 degrees. Similarly, this angle, let's say this point is R. OPR भी तो 90 होगा क्योंकि ये tangent parallel है ना, I mean perpendicular है ना. Now, if we talk about this angle OB, I mean OBL you can say, and OQR are equal since they are alternate interior angles, and if alternate interior angles are equal, it means the lines are parallel. In this way we can prove it. Is that clear? बहुत easy था. It wasn't difficult at all. So what we are able to understand that we need proper understanding for doing the questions, right? Without proper understanding, we would not be able to do. Two tangents, TP and TQ are drawn to a circle. ये तो NCERT का question है. I hope you can do this by your own. ये तो कर सकते हो. This was there in the sample paper also. Example है. Take out your NCERT and do it. ठीक है? Let me tell you the page number of the NCERT. I think it is the example number 2. If you come to page 212, you will be able to find this question. ठीक है? But वहाँ पर थोड़ा सा difficult language में है. So if you want me to solve, I can solve it using a simpler language. What do people say? Public ही है ना, or is it unlisted? हाँ. Sometimes what happens, my chats become unlisted. How's Josh? Let me write. How's the Josh? Everybody is busy with their self-studies, I guess. ठीक है, it's obvious you will be studying at this point of time. It is really high time. आणि तुम्हाला अभ्यास तर करावा लागेल, right? Okay. Can you all do it? Let me draw the figure for you so that you can understand. एक और बार. ठीक है. Circle है एक आपके पास, right? And T एक external point है जहाँ से two tangents are there. ठीक है, this point is T. T point है an angle, and over here you have another line. Now आपको extend कर देना. Extended, and this is a triangle that has been formed, and this is the center. Okay. Now let me label it for your clarity. This is your center O, लग नहीं रहा है, but you have to assume that. This is the angle. Here we have P, Here we have Q. TP and TQ are the tangents, and O is the center. PQ is a chord, and you have to prove that angle PTQ is equals to the double of angle OPQ. एक एंगल है PTQ, दिस एंगल, तो ये एंगल डबल है OPQ से, लग ही रहा है कि बड़ा तो है, राइट? सो यू हैव टू प्रूव इट. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू प्रूव? दैट इज वेरी इजी. PTQ को आप x ले लो या थीटा ले लो. NCERT ने थीटा लिया है, आई प्रेफर x because sometimes it becomes confusing. Okay, great. ऑल राइट, ठीक है. सो ये कर सकते हो आप, इसको x लोगे, राइट? अब वी नो दैट tangent is perpendicular, so ये OPT होगा 90 degrees, right? And PTQ को ही लेना है ना, हाँ, isn't it 90 degrees? Definitely. And you know that tangents are equal from an external point, so this triangle is an isosceles triangle. मतलब ये दोनों angles equal होंगे. TQP and TPQ are going to be equal. Okay. Okay. मतलब ये थीटा है, ये 90 माइनस थीटा है, एंड ये भी 90 माइनस थीटा है. तो अब आप एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी से प्रूव कर सकते हो इजीली. ओके, done. So you have to solve it by your own because I cannot solve each and every question for you, right? Theta, this is 90 90. Can you all do that? Okay, moving ahead. Okay, the question says two vertical poles of different heights are standing 20 meters away from each other. I have two vertical poles. Let's say this is one pole, different heights. This is another pole, 20 meters away. ठीक है. So I know this distance is 20 meters. मुझे पता है कि उनके बीच का distance है 20 meters. बहुत important है. On the level ground, तो ground पर ही होंगे poles अब, है ना? तो ऐसा नहीं कि आसमान में होंगे, ठीक है भाई? तो आपको देखना है कि poles जमीन पर है, ठीक है? And the angle of elevation of the top of the first pole from the foot of the second pole. So elevation, let's say this is pole number 1, pole number 2. इसके bottom से इसके top तक angle of elevation is 60 degrees, ठीक है? And the angle of elevation of the top of the second pole from the foot of the first pole is 30 degrees. ये है 30 degrees. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Okay. Okay, fine. Now, find the difference between the heights of the two poles and underline this one. Highlight it. You have to take root 3 as 1.73. Find the difference between the heights. Let's say its height is x, its height is y. Right? So I can find their heights individually and find the difference. Very, very easy. So now you need to focus on two triangles. So भाई आपको, I was saying that आपको दो triangles पर focus रखना है यार. पहला ABC ले लो, right? And let's say this is D. I'm marking it as D. And I'm only feeling awkward because I've never taught in Hindi before, but it's fine. I've seen a lot of people teaching in Hindi, but I prefer teaching in English. You know me, right? Since 1 year I've been teaching in English, and the first time I'm teaching in Hindi. But French to English mein acha lagta hai, right? And do let me know what do you think about my accent. कैसा है मेरा accent? South Indian or what? ठीक है. Talking about this ABC triangle, can I apply tan 60 in that? Because अब आप इस पर फोकस करोगे तो 60 is the angle. Tan 60 is what? X by 20. X by 20 है. Root 3 is equals to x by 20. Absolutely. So x is equals to 20 root 3 meters. First star की height है 20 root 3 meters. Clear हो? Perfect हो. Second star की बात करें तो if I talk about the second triangle, which is none other than our own DBC, ठीक है? DBC, it's not PBC, ठीक है यार? Now you can understand now. इतना समझ सकते हो. You're not like first class के बच्चे, not at all. हाँ हाँ, जाट ओपी हिंदी में ही एक्सप्लेनेशन हो रहा है. ओ भाई स्टैटिस्टिक्स सिखा. हाँ अभी सिखाता हूँ स्टैटिस्टिक्स. मतलब तुम्हें स्टैटिस्टिक्स में बहुत प्रॉब्लम है आई गेस, राइट? ठीक है. अगर आपको हिंदी में देखो चैट बॉक्स में इतना आ रहा है कि हिंदी में बोलो. दैट इज व्हाई आई वाज सेइंग, मुझे लग रहा था दैट इंग्लिश में समझ में आता है लोगों को. ठीक है फाइन. अभी हमने क्या किया, हमने फाइंड आउट किया कि x की हाइट है 20 रूट 3 मीटर्स. ठीक है. एंड अब हम y की हाइट फाइंड कर रहे हैं. तो डीबीसी में यू कैन अप्लाई tan 30. अगर tan 30 अप्लाई करोगे तो आपको मिलेगा परपेंडिकुलर बाय बेस y by 20. tan 30 क्या होता है 1 by root 3. y by 20 क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे you will get y is equals to 20 upon root 3. कैसे आया 20 upon root 3? क्योंकि y root 3 is equals to 20 है ना. y को root 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे 1 को 20 से. so y root 3 is equals to 20. फिर root 3 को उस साइड शिफ्ट करो तो मल्टीप्लाई में है पहले, अब डिवाइड में हो जाएगा. इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? Okay, I think that you people are asking for statistics, so let's go for statistics first. All right. Now, first thing in statistics that we need to understand is the formula. Because statistics is a chapter जो formula के basis पर है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसमें formula है and आपको directly answer मिल जाएगा. Number one, if I talk about the mean, तो mean क्या होता है? Average होता है कि अगर मेरे पास एक particular फ्रीक्वेंसी का है, मतलब आई हैव अ पर्टिकुलर डेटा क्लास इंटरवल्स है, तो मुझे उसका एवरेज चाहिए. ठीक है. सो इन जनरल टर्म्स व्हाट इज मीन कि आपका जो सम ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशंस है अपॉन द टोटल ऑब्जर्वेशंस, isn't it, that is the mean. तो इसके दो फॉर्मूले हैं, डायरेक्ट एंड अज्यूम्ड. डायरेक्ट में क्या करना होता है, इट इज सम ऑफ एफ आई एक्स आई अपॉन एफ आई. अब आप पूछोगे एफ आई क्या है, एक्स आई क्या है. एफ आई होता है फ्रीक्वेंसी की कितनी बार है. 0 to 20 में कितने लोग हैं, 20 to 40 में कितने हैं, दैट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी. एक्स आई इज द क्लास मार्क. आपको क्लास इंटरवल मिलते हैं 10 to 20 के. अब इसको आपको डिवाइड करना है 2 से, राइट. इसका एवरेज फाइंड करना है, सो दैट विल बी 15. तो आपको 15 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है इनटू द एफ आई. ठीक है. तो ऐसे सारे क्लास इंटरवल्स को करोगे, राइट, एंड फिर उनको ऐड करोगे अपॉन द सम ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी जो आपको दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन. इज दैट क्लियर नाउ? क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करो, राइट. लेट्स सॉल्व अ क्वेश्चन देन. NCERT का, wait a second, NCERT statistics class 10 PDF. All right, so I'll be solving one or two questions so that you'll get the idea. Anything else? Yes, I am gonna solve the questions. First, talking about the mean. Where is the exercise? Okay, let's take this question first. If you see, a survey was conducted by a group of students as a part of their environment awareness program, in which they collected the following data regarding the number of plants in 20 houses in a locality. Find the mean number of plants per house. Which method did you use for finding the mean and why? This is the question given to us. number of plants are going to be your xi, remember that. Okay, and number of houses frequency. xi में there are intervals, frequency में there are numbers. Clear? My screen is not visible. Acha, okay. Sorry. Now I think it must be visible. Up to I think it must be visible. Sorry. By mistake this happened. Now I guess it must be fine. Fine now? Okay. Now see, number of plants is going to be our xi. Understood? Number of houses is going to be the fi, frequency. ठीक है, अब इसका आप इंडिविजुअल का क्लास मार्क निकालो, इन दोनों को ऐड करके 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे फॉर ईच एंड एवरी केस. ठीक है, 2 plus 0 divided by 2, then 2. Let me take a screenshot over here and then attach. Wait a second. What happened to it? Not a duplicate slide. एक second रुक जाओ. What happened? Okay, let me add the screenshot. Now it's fine. Now understand. It says that 0 to 2, 2 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 12, 12 to 14. ठीक है, अब सबके क्लास मार्क्स निकालने हैं. That is going to be your xi. Frequency is always given in the question f. Is that clear? I'm not ignoring anybody, and first I'll finish up the YouTube one, then I'll start another one. Okay, and please share it with your friends. Okay, this is fi. 2 plus 0, 2 by 2, 1. 4 plus 2, 6 by 2, 3. 6 plus 4, 10, 5, 7, 9, 11 and 13. These are our FIs. ठीक है, so XI का क्या आया? Ignore this right now. XI is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. FI 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. अच्छा 9. Wait a second. Till 13 it's there now. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Here we have 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 2, 1, 5 and 6, 2, 3. ठीक है, अब आप बस इन दोनों को मल्टीप्लाई करो, all of them. 1 ones are 1 and add them. 3 twos are 5, 5 ones are, sorry, 3 twos are 6. What am I doing? 5 ones are 5. This is 6. Okay, in case you got confused. Okay, 6 plus 5, 7 into 5, 35, 9 into 6, 54, plus 11 to 2, 22 and 39. Now who's gonna tell me the answer? Wait a second. No, why I'm going? You're not listening to us. What happened? I am listening. What happened? I can take the Google Meet session, but after the YouTube one. ठीक है? This is not gonna be the way. And at the end moment, you people have realized that you have to study. What is your doubt? Ask. What do you exactly want? See, we are here on YouTube and there are certain protocols, certain policies that we cannot break, right? You're asking me to go. I'm going. Link of the meeting. I told you, na, I will send you. Just stay over here. Okay, after completing certain questions, then I can take your doubts. Okay, after some time we'll be having the meeting. Anything else? What to say now? Okay, Jet OP says I will wait. Okay, I am gonna take your doubts in the meeting, but you need to understand that read your NCRT. You explain circle. Acha, Aditya and Jat, let me tell you one important thing that अभी last day है तो आप ज़्यादा नहीं कर सकते, right? So do your NCRT at least once क्योंकि NCRT से आपका confidence बढ़ेगा, ठीक है? Is that clear? एक बार आप NCRT कर लीजिए अच्छे से and previous year questions कर लीजिए and Google Meet की meeting में if you people want then I can take after some time. In that meeting you can ask your doubts. Clear? अभी के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होगा एनसीईआरटी को अच्छे से रिवाइज करना बिकॉज योर एनसीईआरटी इज द मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट थिंग सो अच्छा यू हैव डन ऑल द क्वेश्चन तो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन कीजिए देयर इज अ चैनल आशीष फॉर स्टूडेंट्स आप जानते होंगे उन्होंने प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस अपने फोल्डर में अपलोड किए हैं तो प्लीज 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 डू सॉल्व देम प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस एंड एक बार एग्जाम्पलर को भी देख लीजिए इफ यू वांट राइट एनीथिंग एल्स ठीक है फाइन आई थिंक आदित्य हैज लेफ्ट Jat is there, Aditya must have left. Let me see the live chat. Live chat may I think I'll be able to watch. Okay. Alright, so let's continue. Don't say bye now. It is not the time to say goodbye. अब ठीक है. Now, we were doing this 1, 2, 1, 5, 6, 2, 3. What is the summation of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 15, 17, 20. 20 is the sum of the frequencies. Alright, इनको add करो upon 20. You will get your answer. I think the answer is 8.1. यहाँ पर 162 आएगा, इनको add करोगे 162 आएगा, divide कर देना उसको 20 से. So you will be getting 8.1. ठीक है? Just one is watching. What I can say now. Okay, now this question has been solved. I wanted to teach you that one also. Where is that? Constructing a pair of tangents. Now this question is important. I think you must be familiar with this question. Construct a pair of tangents to a circle of radius 4 centimeters which are inclined at an angle of 60 degrees. Now what do you mean by inclined? Suppose you have a circle over here. Okay, you have a circle. ठीक है? To CBSE? What does that mean, Jet? What does that mean? I did not perceive you. अच्छा ठीक है. Now, they are asking us to make two tangents which are inclined at the angle 60 degrees. मतलब उनके बीच का angle होना चाहिए 60 degrees. This angle should be 60 degrees. So let me tell you the procedure. सबसे पहले एक diameter बनाओ. All right. Now यहाँ पर you know how to form the 60 degrees angle. Like we make a semicircle. Okay. हाँ.
Cut off में आज 9:49 पे होती है.
Okay, fine. Actually, there was some disturbance. I will get 80% and 1,000 rupees. I'm not understanding your point. Okay. यहाँ पर कट करने से 60 degree, here 120. So since it's 60, here we are going to make an angle of 120 degrees. Okay, so that we are basically using the property of a quadrilateral. Two angles are going to be 90 degree जो tangent and radii के होंगे, and one angle हमें 60 degrees चाहिए, मतलब उसके opposite वाला 120 होना चाहिए, so that their sum is going to be 180 degrees, right? So what you have to do, अब यहाँ से एक line draw करो and यहाँ एक 90 degree angle बनाओ, यहाँ से एक line draw करो and यहाँ पर एक 90 degree angle बनाओ. यहाँ पर जो angle होगा that is going to be your 60 degrees. Clear or not? Okay. Right. एक second. Like, give me a second. Okay, so since you people are demanding for the Google Meet meeting, I am gonna give you the code. Just a second. Yes. Now wait for 2 minutes. I will generate the code. Then you all can join the session, right? On Google Meet. Then after we are gonna end the YouTube session because I think I have taught you everything. Just a second. Wait for some seconds. What happened? Actually, my internet is a bit slow, so you will have to adjust. Okay. Okay. So I have given the link in the chat box of the Google Meet. So if somebody wants to join, that person can join. If nobody joins, I'll continue the lecture on YouTube. Okay? Okay, I think people have left, that's why. Should I be waiting or not? I think I've given the correct link. Join it fast so that nobody's there, so let's continue teaching on YouTube. Aditya and Jat wanted the meeting, but
नंबर आ गया नहीं मैंने समझ आएगा.
Okay, so nobody is joining, I guess. We shall end it then if nobody is joining. Join in fast. Join the Google Meet meeting. They only wanted the meeting and now they've gone. I did not understand. Hmm. Okay, so since nobody is eager to join, I've waited for a very long time now. Now I'll be switching on. Yeah, nobody's there. What to do? If they want to join, they're gonna join. Okay, next point that we're gonna understand is the formula for mode. It is L plus F1 minus F0 F1 minus upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Do you people know about the formula for mode? Isn't it you people know that? Another formula for mode. And I think mode is the easiest because in the median you require a lot of other things also. Median's formula is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. This is the median. And the last formula of this chapter is the empirical formula. What is that? That is the relationship between mean, mode and median. That is 3 median equals to mode plus 2 mean. Okay. For finding out mode, mean, median whenever something is given to us, right? They both wanted the meeting, and when I started the meeting, then they are not there. Wow, that is really strange. I don't know. Still, you can join, guys. It is open, and I will continue to teach on YouTube as well, right? And Aditya said that I deserve 10 million subscribers. That is so sweet of him. When I think I deserve, but it's okay. You have to continue your hard work. 3 median is equals to mode plus 2 mean. अब इसमें से any two values can be given to you and you can be asked to find any one. तो आप ऐसे find कर सकते हो, ठीक है? Done. Great. Okay. Now circles में there are two theorems. Tangent is perpendicular to the radius and tangents from an external point are equal. So that is important to understand. Application of trigonometry conceptual, surface areas and volumes, calculation based. इसमें do remember that you don't have to attempt the silly mistakes. Okay, जो बहुत लोग are going to do. Okay, no silly mistakes to be done. Clear now? People have gone somewhere. I wish everybody comes back and we can have healthy discussions on Google Meet. I think it it wouldn't enable me right now. No, nobody's there. So if everything is okay, I think I should end the stream now. I'm gonna end the stream now because nobody's there right now, and without people, I think I won't be able to teach you, right? So let's end it over here. I hope you enjoyed, you revised your concepts, and you would surely succeed. Okay, bye bye. Good enough.